Explained is the brainchild of Khalid Azad, a computer science graduate from Princeton University, who decided that learning math shouldn't be so difficult. The way he kind of does it is, well, the way he describes how he does it is looks at the overview of something before learning each individual part. So he kind of describes it like loading an image on a web page rather than loading the top of a face and just seeing a bit and then the next bit and the next bit. Imagine loading the whole face, but it's blurry and it becomes clearer and clearer. So he likes to offer that kind of overarching picture at the start and then add clarity in the way that he teaches. So what he's done is create a selection of lessons which cover all sorts of mathematical concepts. There's advanced math, there's algebra, there's calculus, there's um, geometry, computer sciences. There's lots on there, and lots of it's available for free. And you can go on and you can access article style entries which are found on the website, but you can also download PDF lessons which will teach a concept. Calculus, for example, seems to be one of the main areas that's covered here, and you can either download the PDF documents to print and share or to share digitally with the class and teach using that, or which is free, or you can pay for an entire course which expands that into other areas like quizzes and video guidance and discussions and so on. There is a lot of video content as well as written content there, but you get a little bit more if you pay for it. But that said, there's plenty on there for free. You can use it to teach in class, you can use it to share with students to learn outside of class, and you can stack and build as it gets more and more complex. And there's a few other useful tools on there. It's worth taking a look at. It's it's well thought out, and if nothing else, it just gives you a new way of thinking about teaching maths, and there's yeah, there's some really useful ideas on there. Worth a look.